Okay, so welcome back to the new video. So today we are going to see the problem number 49, which is a medium problem. I think this is the first medium problem in this channel. I may create a new playlist for this. So let's read the question first. Given an array of strings strs, group the anagram together. You can return the answer in any order. So what is an anagram? So anagram is basically like words which has same letters, like EAT. Here the example is given EAT and TEA. Even TEA has the letters EAT, right? And ATE also has the same letters but jumbled, so that it creates a new word or new meaning. So that is basically what anagram is. And bat has no anagram here. So the question is, we have to group the anagrams. So EAT, ATE and TE all together, tan and nat all together, and bat is no bat is single, so we have to let him be single. And in case of yeah, there is only just a single empty string, then we have to set it as an separate string. Yeah, that's it. And I have already solved this problem, so I will explain it much better, because like if I had to write it from the scratch and explain it, it will take more time. So I will just explain the theme concept of it. Okay, so we are using the concept of hashing. So what I am going to do is, let me copy this question. I have copied it, and I will come here and paste this question here. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I will take EAT and generate an hash value using ASCII values. Okay, so using the hash key has ASCII value of E and A and T. So we will generate an ASCII value, suppose like 50 or any number, any random number. There are like multiple hashing methods. We can generate it in our convenience, but for example, I'm taking this 50. It doesn't make any sense, but I am taking for time being. And TE, because it has same letters, it will generate the same hash key, same key. So if you don't know what is ASCII values, just Google it. um, you will get it. It is not a big deal. And ATE also create 50. So what will happen here is, I will create an object. Here. It is a key value. So I got this key. So at a key index, at key 50, I am going to, push eat, t and 8. Okay, and tan suppose created as key value of 8, suppose. So at 8, I am going to push what? Tan and nat. And suppose bat created 10, so at 10 I am going to push bat. That's it. It is as simple as that. There is nothing to worry about. So I will explain this code, and also explain what algorithm, hashing algorithm I have used here. So it is a pretty simple one, but maybe confusing for some people. So let me call this console log dot group anagrams and paste it here. Oh, sorry, where's the question? Okay, so here I got the question, and yeah, I got the output, right? EAT, TEA, ATE, tan, nat, bat. So I got the answer, right? And what will what I'm doing here is, this is a hashing method. This is a hashing method. Ignore it. I will show you what is happening here. So I am iterating through the array of words, right? So string less than string dot length, and I am getting a hash value of the word. So I am passing it here. I am passing it to here as a word, and here I am creating an like array with value 0. Console.log. So I'm just creating an array with 26 zeros because there are 26 characters in English alphabets, right? So each like index represent each maybe each word. So this represent A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it represents Z. So it is like that, and at the end I will show you how it will become. So yeah, this is how it will become. Let me explain you. For I is equal to 0, I is less than word, I less word dot length. So character code at uh, character code at I minus 97. So what is happening here is like word dot character code at I. Character suppose we are taking eat, right? Eat. So character code at I, that is I is 0 now. So E, character code at E, which is an ASCII value of E. So if you don't know ASCII value, as I said, Google it. ASCII value of E, which is maybe taken random number 90, 100 and something, 103, 104. I don't know what it is. 100 and something it is. So what we'll get is uh, we uh, we at this index we will get that index of E. We will get the index of E. So here I am incrementing its value, right? Here I have incremented the value of it, and at A I am getting that same index of the A and incrementing the value here, and at T also T, and ABCD, like here T I am incrementing its value here. So in the same way, what the next word is TEA. So when it comes to TEA, first it will come T and it will increment here, and A, E here, and A here. So like it gave us the same index value, right? Same hash value. So EAT, TEA and same hash value because it has same letters. And what about NAT? Maybe NAT. So NAT, in case of NAT, I think yeah, this is NAT, I guess. So it gave first N and it gave A, and it marked at T, right? Suppose we have a word called EE. So like, or maybe I can take AA. So that it has, there are two A's, so it has incremented the A twice. Okay, got it. So I'll change it back to as it was. Okay. So we are getting the index values, hash values, and we are storing those values. Let me show you. Let me comment this out, and console log my map. Yeah, as I said, I am getting this key value right here, and I am storing that EAT generated this key value, and I am storing it here. So what I'm doing here is my map of key. I'm checking that whether the key already exists. When it comes to EAT, there is like this key value doesn't exist. In case of EAT, this key value didn't exist previously. So what I'm doing is I'm making that key value, suppose 101. This is a key value. Suppose I'm putting that key value, and I'm push like if it already exists, so in this it doesn't exist. So what I'm doing is make an array and put that value in it. So I'm doing it like this. So in the next case TEA comes. So TEA generate the same hash value, and here it will check if it already exists. So yeah, it exists. So we just need to what, push the value, push the word. So if I push the word, what will I get? TEA. And when it comes to 8, it will again push, right? Yeah. So this is it. And when it comes to tan creates an key value, suppose to something random values, and push the word tan. The same, like, yeah, I'm just giving an example here. I guess you have understood it. So at the end, you can see at the end we can see that the 3 unique hash values generated, and in that like in that value or in that key we are storing these values. So, and this is just an object, like this is just a method in JavaScript to get this array out of it. So yeah, at the end, what? Okay. Yeah, I got the answer. Let me. I will run and show it to you. What is this? Okay, submit. It is showing 97 because my internet issue. I think it was like yesterday, Tuesday. It was like 97 or something. I don't remember actually. Yeah, it is pretty fast. Although, yeah, see, 97 percentage. So it is the most optimal solution, I guess. There may be another solution which may be more suitable than this, so you can try it out.